Hiring BPO workers is easy. Managing them, that's where most businesses struggle. Welcome back. We have already talked about what is BPO, and today we're going to show you how to hire and manage BPO workers using Calilio and how it can simplify communication and team management. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Hire the right agents. Start by defining clear expectations and roles. Look for agents with strong communication skills and test them using real or simulated calls to ensure that they're fit for the job. Hiring the right person makes all the difference. Step 2. Set up the right tools. Use Calilio's business phone system to connect to your team seamlessly. After logging in, you can purchase and assign virtual phone numbers to your BPO agents. Calilio offers numbers from over 100 countries at local call rates, making global communication simple. Next, create your BPO team in the app. Add members and assign either team-specific or individual numbers. You can even share one number across the whole team or assign unique numbers to each agent, whatever works best for your business. Step 3. Enable essential features. Take advantage of Calilio's smart business features such as IVR systems, automates customers' navigation to the right department. Next, call recording. Record calls for quality control and training. Next, we have AI Insights, which provides actionable insights to improve your agent performance. And lastly, we have live call monitoring. This allows supervisors to monitor and assist your live calls. Along with these features, we have many more insightful features that will help you as a BPO. So now you, being an admin, have full control and visibility over all your activities. If you have any questions or encounter issues, Calilio's support team is available to talk to you and help you 24/7. Get started with Calilio, the business phone system designed for BPOs with affordable plans. If you're planning to switch your current phone system, you can port your existing numbers to Calilio. Thanks for watching.